Hello friends and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about collection and collection API. So let us start this lecture. So collection API is a belongs to a java.util package. So it consists of many interfaces and classes. So it all together we will call them as collection API. So the major part of the collection API is called as an interface, a collection interface. So it is a major interface, and from there there are many other sub-interfaces of collection API such as set, queue, and list. This in sub in there are many other interfaces which implement the particular, which will be extending the collection interface, and they will inherit the particular methods of the collection interface, and then they will have implementation for those methods in the following classes such as array list, linked list, hash set, and priority queue. These kind of classes will implement these methods of the particular methods which are abstracted in the particular collection interface. So now let us see some of the methods which are there in the collection, abstract methods which are present in the collection API, collection interface. So let us see. The first method is add method. So add method will add a particular element to the collection. So that is the functionality of the add method. Next method is add all. So by using add all we can add an entire collection to a particular collection. So we can use it to add all multiple items at single line. And next is to array method. So to array method will convert the particular collection to an array. And next method is iterator. So iterator method will retrieve you an iterator object which you can iterate, use to iterate the collection, to print each elements or access each elements that we can do using the iterator object. Next is empty. So empty will check whether a collection doesn't have any elements. So collection is empty or not, that will be checked by the empty method. Next final method is size. So here collection we will not check for length, instead of size is the particular value which will determine how many elements are there in the collection. So always remember to use size to check the number of elements present in the collection. So thank you for watching. Now let us see some practical programs for this collection API. Now let us see a sample program based on collection. Before going for the sample program, I want to show how you can access the particular um, classes which are there, and we can able to read the code of the particular classes, library files, how we can do. So like that you have to go to the particular class and press control, and then you have to go click the particular class, then automatically that class will get an open. Here this is an interface, collection interface. It is opened. You can see there are it implements the iterable interface. So like this you can understand about many different interfaces, how the methods are there. To know how many methods are there in that particular interface, you have to use control O. So here you can see I put control O and all the methods are popping up, and one by one you can discover each methods, what are the code for each method and all. So like this you have to discover each interfaces in the collection to know what are the different methods which are present in each interface. So like this you can discover. Now let us go back to our program. So in this program we are going to use a collection and use an iterator object to print all the values of the particular collection. So here I am declaring a collection and passing a list object, arrays.as list method. So this method will convert the particular array into a list. So we can pass like this, and it will automatically convert into a collection object. And collection is a super interface of list, so it can hold the particular list reference. So like this, and after that I am using an iterator object, and I am getting the iterator object and using a while loop to go through the particular elements. Iterator dot hash next will get you the particular next value is present or not, and iterator dot next will get you the next value of the particular iterator. And let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output as came. Each value is getting printed. Each names are getting printed, and that's it for this program. So in this lecture, we are seeing about collection interface, and collection interface is the core of the collection API, in which most of the methods are declared here. And the collection API consists of many interfaces and classes. So in this coming lectures, we will discover each and every main important interfaces and classes which are present in the collection API. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with another video. Thank you.